Once you wear the vermilion given by Mohan, along with the wedding chain, then you will become the most beautiful bride in Vrindavan.
I will not let you marry Mohan. And I won't let Mohan pour water in your mouth, Damini.
Mom, this is just the beginning. Tulsi won't spare us.
Tell me, were you out of mind then? This girl has taken on the entire workload of this house. She has saved Gungun's life twice. She has saved Mohan's life.
It's unfortunate that you still think of all this as a drama.
You keep on talking non-stop. My ears are hurting now.
You will do as you please, am I right?
Yes, I will. So what?
Then there is no place for me to stay here. And there is no point to stay. If the owner of this house doesn't trust me anymore, then what's the point in staying here? It felt good to stay with all of you. I spent so many days with you. I didn't realize when so much time passed. Grandma says that I'm a bit naive. If I made any mistake unknowingly, then please forgive me, Mohan.
I faced humiliation because of Radha. It's good that she is leaving.
Mohan, I'm going to pack my bags. Come and check once. What if I steal something?
Radha, listen to me. How dare she? I am calling her and... Radha!
Why is Mohan so interested in the priest's daughter? She's just an uninvited guest. She had to leave one day. Now that she's leaving, why is he stopping her?
That's what I'm saying. Uninvited guests should not be given so much importance. If she wants to leave, let her leave.
If Radha does not want to stay here anymore, then none of us here has the right to stop her. But whatever we did to her was absolutely wrong. And Mohan does not want Radha to leave from here with any grudges. That's it.
One thing is certain. Mohan is feeling very bad for Radha. In such a short span, he has got quite attached to her. Am I right, Damini?
Hey, what are you doing? Why are you doing all this?
Now what happened, Radha?
Your friend is leaving forever. She's going.
What happened now, Radha? Please don't leave this house.
I will have to go, Gungun. This house belongs to your dad, so he can do as he please. But he can't insult me. I cannot stay at a place where my self-respect is harmed. I can't stay here.
Don't be surprised about it. He's like that.
Hey,
He gets angry to all. And boss is around.
Gungun! Don't speak like that about your dad.
You are upset with Mohan. Still you are defending him. Don't confuse me, Radha.
This belongs to Gungun.
I am going to pack my bags. Come and check once. What if I steal something?
It went inside on its own. It was here. You didn't do anything. And how can you leave this house? Where is your Lord Krishna? Your Lord is in the prayer room. You can't live without him. She's not going anywhere.
I know that, Mohan. And I will take him with me.
Please don't go. I have been trying to pacify you. Please let go of your anger. What do I do now? I'm angry. You...
There is no need to get angry, Mohan.
You don't speak when you are supposed to. You just keep watching. Why don't you stop her, Gungun?
I am leaving.
Just a second. What happened to your hand? How did you get hurt and when?
It's a minor injury. It will be fine.
Hey, silly girl. If had it been a minor injury, you wouldn't have hidden it. Show it to me. Let me see how deep it is.
I'm telling you, it will be fine. It will be fine.
Why can't you show it to me?
What did I tell you? There is no need to worry. It will be fine.
I'm not worrying. I'm taking a precaution so that it doesn't rot.
Nothing will happen. There will be a problem if I uncover it.
You can't do it, but I can.
Mohan! Why don't you listen to me?
Did you teach her to talk like this?
Don't get too friendly with me. Stop her. Come on, let's go quickly.
These girls are so strange. Radha!
Stop! You have been trying to stop her so hard, but you forgot the most important thing.
What?
Did you apologize to her?
Gungun, your dad never apologizes. The sun can rise from the west, but your dad can never apologize to anyone.
Mohan has never apologized to anyone since his childhood.
Gungun, this is Mohan's house. It is his family. Then it should be his wish, right? Why should he apologize? He doesn't need to apologize.
Yes, Mohan can sacrifice his life, but apologizing to someone? Impossible.
You are absolutely right, son. At once, birds can swim. And even the fish, they can fly in the sky. But our Mohan, he can never apologize. Am I right? So, my dear, you go. Come again, huh? Come again.
Come on. And just apologizing is not enough. You broke Radha's. You broke. Something has broken. And To fix that one, you'll have to hold your ears too.
Gungun? What are you saying? There is no need for all this.
Let him do it. It'll be fun.
No, Gungun. This is wrong. I am leaving.
Radha. Keep quiet. I have to do this for Gungun. I am sorry.
What is wrong with Mohan? He's apologizing to that worthless girl.
I made a huge mistake. Actually, we all made a huge mistake. We made false allegations against you. I made the biggest mistake. I didn't raise my voice for you, which I should have.
एहसास की जो जुबान बन गए दिल में मेरे
It's okay, Mohan. You don't need to apologize. God don't say sorry to devotees.
में क्या कहें आप हम
Listen, you probably don't understand me, so I will tell you what you told me. Remember what you told me when your satchel got ruined?
It's not difficult to fix broken things. We humans don't even try to fix it.
You said that it's not difficult to fix broken things. We humans just don't try to fix it. Whether it's an object, a dream, a hope, a relationship, or even a satchel. When something breaks, we fix it and everything gets better. I am trying to fix things here. Do you remember what you told me when Damini was leaving the house? That I should have thought about Gungun at least. That Gungun would be affected if Damini left home. Probably she would think that breaking the relations
Is easier than preserving the relations.
But now you are living this house, so now you tell me, how will this affect Gungun? Your grandma says there is nothing in this world.
Once broken, it cannot be fixed.
All one needs to do is try. I am standing here and sincerely trying to stop you. Will you stay back?
किस्मत से हमें आप हमदम मिल गए जैसे कि दुआ को अल्फाज मिल गए सोचा जो नहीं वो
Do you remember all that, Mohan?
You tend to remember what you deem right.
कि खुदा दे अब मुझे
I know what my family did was unforgivable. But if you leave this house, then it will be disrespectful to my family. Please don't burden my family with this disrespect.
Radha, dear, on behalf of the entire Trivedi family, I request you wholeheartedly, please don't go.
Kadambari has gone crazy.
Aunt, please don't fold your hands. Don't apologize.
Radha, my child, if you leave this house out of danger, I will never be able to face my friend Rameshwar. Please don't go, dear. Please don't go.
Radha, you won't go, will you?
I won't go. I will stay here.
Well done. See, now you have yourself said that you won't be leaving this house. We won't change our minds either. But if you leave this house anyway, we will hold your hand and stop you. And if we don't stop you, who else will? Huh?
Wasn't that apology too bland, isn't it? If you had done 10-20 sit-ups, then Radha would have liked it.
Gungun?
Isn't that a bit much? Whether Radha likes it or not, you will like it, right? So it's confirmed, right, that you won't leave? Are you leaving?
No. I'm staying.
Then say no. Why did you say yes?
No.
Since you are not leaving, then the job of this Mohan is over.
What?
Now, job of Professor Mohan begins. Yesterday's lecture was skipped by you. But how will you skip it today? Anyway, let bygone be bygone. Let's forget it. Now tell me, where are your books for today's studies? You will be studying English, right? If you don't study properly, then I will give you a harsh punishment. Like this.
Oh, Lord Krishna. Mohan, are you going to hit me?
Yes, I will beat you black and blue.
Oh my gosh! This is domestic violence. Will you commit a crime?
Hey, drama queen, it would be considered domestic violence only if she were my wife.
Thank you, Lord, that she is not your wife. Say thank you to your Lord Krishna. You are safe. If he hits you with a scale, then you must tell me. We both will hit him with my Nerf gun. You just don't leave the house, please.
Gungun.
Mom, did you hear that? The word wife came up and Gungun didn't react. She didn't call me a killer, Mom.
Change is the law of nature, son. Our Gungun is also changing.
The reason for that change is Radha. But Mom, the work is not done yet. There is something that I need to do for Radha.
What's that?
I will tell you.
Are you also seeing what I am seeing? Radha's husband Mohan. Radha's mother-in-law Kaddu. Radha's father-in-law Drunkard Vishwanath. And that Radha's daughter, stupid Gungun. And that Tulsi's spirit also must be somewhere around. Look, she got a whole and a complete family.
It is my promise to both of you. I will never let your daughter join this happy family. Never.
Mohan is out of his mind. Listen, my dear, don't get angry. Yeah? Today is Radha's day. Tomorrow will be ours. We will definitely find some or the other way to get rid of that girl.
Damini. Is this about getting someone out of the way?
No. No, my dear son Mohan. We were going for breakfast.
You are going for breakfast?
Yeah.
In the garden? Were you planning to eat grass and shrubs? You know, Aunt Kaveri, I want to tell you something that I think today I will either get a severe stomachache or be hurt badly. Something is going to happen to me.
Oh my gosh. Why, my dear son? Why it will happen?
Because I made fun of you.
What?
So now you will curse me. What do you say that widows what?
A curse.
Curse. I will destroy you. Right? So the chances of it are more?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
My dear, why will I curse my son-in-law? Oh my gosh! If I do that, then may I lose my tongue? I am saying, may the earth shatter and I...
Mom, he's gone.
What? We are safe. It is good that he did not hear anything, right? Oh gosh, how much more will you test a widow like this? At least spare me.
Good morning, Aunt.
You please sit somewhere else.
Why? For who?
Radha? Radha?
Yes, Mohan.
It's time for breakfast.
I'll bring it in 2 minutes.
Hey. I'm not asking you to serve. I'm asking you to join us. Do you function on solar power?
Excuse me?
I mean, do you need the sun to survive?
No.
You take the breakfast, correct?
Well, I'll eat in the kitchen, okay?
Kitchen is for cooking the food, not for eating in it. Now sit here. Sit. You're a part of the family, right? Are you or not? Eat with the family if you are a part of the family, right? Sit. Sit. The parathas are delicious, right? Do you want me to turn your plate over too? The plate?
I'll do it.
Damini, please sit.
Damini, come here.
Come here, dear.
Thank you.
तुम पे हम तो मरे जा रहे हैं, मिटने की जिद किए जा रहे हैं।
Come on, eat your food. It's good that you are eating with the family. At least you will be safe. If you eat alone in the kitchen, then somebody may accuse you of stealing, that you ate all the cream. Do you like cream?
Enough, Mohan. You are insulting me now. This is wrong.
The entire world is wrong. You never know when and for what reason somebody accuses you.
Sister Damini, please
Damini?
stop. Sister Damini,
Be
dear.
seated. Once again, there is no reason to be nice. Sit down.
But Mohan, you made Sister Damini upset for no reason. I'm going to serve her
She will
food.
eat when she gets hungry. Nobody can survive without food, okay? Everyone is on their own. You care about yourself. And now, you won't say anything. I don't want to hear a word. You shouldn't speak while eating. I have said what I had to say. I have nothing else to say. It's already written in Bhagavad Gita that we should not disrespect food. We should finish our food. Isn't that stated in that? So eat up.
Radha, eat.
Okay.
This is not right, son. The way you are treating Damini nowadays, it's wrong, it's not fair.
Yes, Mom. Don't you say that good or bad depends on time and perception?
Yes, but
When the time is right, you will find out what I'm doing, Mom. Whatever happened with Radha, to fix that, we didn't do what we should have done. Soon I will do that as well.
Wow, Mr. Trivedi. You have changed completely. Gungun, your dad is changing. But what do you want to do, Mohan?
Damini, you will pay for what you did to Radha. I'm sorry. I made a huge mistake. Please forgive me, Damini. I'm really, really sorry.
What are you saying, Mohan? I didn't even say anything.
Exactly. What if you accuse me for no reason? That's why I'm saying it in advance.
Stop it, Mohan. How more will you insult me? What have I done? Why are you so upset with me?
What have you done? You should ask this question to yourself. You will get an answer about what have you done.
The answer is that I really care about my family. I love my family. Last night, due to the situation, everyone thought that Radha is a thief. So I did what I thought was right.
Then you shouldn't be with me. Everyone used to think that I was a murderer and I killed my wife. Circumstances were such. So, am I a killer? The court took years, right, to pronounce me innocent? But I had to live with that accusation for all these years. Damini, you have no idea what it is like to live with an accusation. Let alone the dignity. A person even loses his self-respect, Damini. It shatters you. You can't even respect yourself. Ask an innocent person how it feels when people call him a criminal. That's how I used to feel, and that's how Radha felt yesterday. What people did to me, you did to Radha yesterday. Damini, the way people accused me, you accused Radha yesterday. And you are asking me what you have done?
All right, Mohan. Now I have understood. I won't ask you what I have done, but I can ask you what I should do now. How do I rectify my mistake? How do I pacify you so that you won't be angry with me?
You know, your allegations might be fake, but the pain you are giving to other person are not fake. You cannot take your words back, right? But you can admit your mistakes, can't you? Even everyone in the family apologized to Radha. But you? You shouted on her, scolded her, accused her, and even hit her.
Finally, you showed your true colors and you proved that low-class people are not trustworthy.
Did you apologize to her? Will you be able to apologize to Radha? Will you be able to keep your ego aside and admit your mistake? Will you be able to apologize to Radha? Don't you have an answer now, Damini?
Enough, Mohan.
I don't want Mohan and sister Damini to fight because of me. How do I convince Mohan to forgive sister Damini?
Shh. Calm down, dear. Calm down. What you are thinking will never happen. Everything is fine.
Radha!
Now what is she going to do? Yesterday she said something to Radha and Mohan has been taunting her since morning. If she insults her again, then he will tell us to pack our bags and leave this house forever.
Damini! Stay away from Radha.
Don't get involved in this. This is between Radha and me, Mohan.
Damini, there is no need to talk to her. And please don't create a scene again. I don't want it.
Now it's more important to talk to her. Everyone has been upset with me since yesterday. And you have been talking less and taunting me more since morning. Since I ruined things in front of everyone, I should make amends in front of everyone too. I accused Radha in front of the entire family, so I should apologize in front of everyone too.
We have to admit, Damini is a great actor. She is good.
I should be punished. You should hit me.
I'm sure Damini is up to something. But what is she looking to do?
You're not the ones who are content with defeating their enemy. We are those who get rid of our enemies forever.
Stop crying, Radha. Have some water.
Mom, we can't find Radha. I wonder where she is.
She must be here somewhere. If you can't find her, just give her a call.